Welcome to my channel. It's your girl FineHair. If you want to know how I achieve this gorgeous twist on my natural hair, watch till the end of this video. Please subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so whenever I post a video, YouTube will notify you. In today's video, we are going to need coconut oil for my root or for my scalp. We will need a tail comb. We will need a shine and jam. And also I'm going to use crunchy to keep the hair away from the one I'm braiding. So I will start by sectioning my hair into a small section. Once I section it, I will use a clip. I will use elastic band to keep my hair in place. You can use elastic band, you can use a clip, whichever one that works for you. And I use a jam on my root. So to start the twist, what I will need to section my hair into two sections, just like that. My pinky and my thumb, both my right and my left hand. Now I section it. I'm going to show you, we are going to have a teamwork in today's twisting. So you will need a teamwork of 3 fingers of my left hand and 2 fingers, which will be my pinky and my thumb of my left hand. Then we will need my right hand, pinky and thumb being a team 1. So this is team 1, right hand, team 2, pinky and my thumb on my left hand, and team 3 of my 3 fingers. So now that we section it, team 2 will hold hair of team 1 on the root right here. See, now that it's holding it, I'll use my right hand to twist it. I'll be twisting it clockwise, pretty much from 6 and take it all the way to 12. I'll show you that. So my left hand, pinky and thumb, which is team 2, is holding it down on the root, and my team 1 is twisting it. The aim of the twisting is to make this smooth, and this is a beginner video. That's why I'm doing it this way, so you know how to start it. You hold it, you twist it, you see how it's all nice and smooth versus this one. So now that I'm done with that, what I'm going to do is I will take my right hand, team 1, and I will release team 2 that is holding it on the root. This is team 2, I will release it. Now that I release it, my team 2 is free, right? Now that my team 2 is free, I will now take my pinky to my team 3, see right there, and I'll take my thumb to hold it. Now that I hold it, I release team 3. I will now take my team 1 and send it to team 3. My one hand, which is my team 1, right hand, is going to go to team 2 hair right here. It's the one next to my right hand. So now that it's holding it, I'm going to use my team 2 to hold it on the root. The same concept, then I'm going to twist it. I'm going clockwise. See, I'm going clockwise. You see, I'm rolling it from 6 to 12. Now, once I'm done doing that, I'm going to start twisting. And the way to start twisting is I'm going to go anti-clockwise. So the first one is to go clockwise, and the second one is to start going anti-clockwise while I still twist. You see, so I do this. My team 1 sends it to team 3 right there. My team 1 is free. It will now grab the next hair that my team 2 is holding. Get it from team 2, team 1 now, and I twist it. Pull it a little bit, not too tight, but just a little bit to keep the root nice and smooth. Then I go again. Team 1 always send the hair to team 3. Just have that in mind that whenever my team 1 comes, it will get the hair from team 2 and send it to team 3. I get it from team 2, twist it a little bit, and I send it to team 3. Get it again from team 2, twist it a little bit, send it to team 3. Take it again from team 2, send it to team 3. That is just the concept right here. I keep twisting it. It's really hair go anti-clockwise. You see? And what I'm going to do now is I'm almost at the tip. If you can see, I'm going to take a jam to make it nicer and smooth. The same concept, my team 1 always send the hair to team 3. So now that I'm at the end, I'm going to hold it with my team 2 and roll it a little bit. Like I was still doing the clockwise. That's it. Okay, we are going to do another session now, right? You see that? I'm going to release the elastic band that I was using to hold it in place, and I'm going to do another one. So what I do is I really take my tail comb, go right on my scarf all the way, a little deep but not that deep. Again, you can section this to any size that you want. I'm doing it a little bit small, right? You see that? I'm going to section the other side. Okay, so now that I'm done sectioning, my next will be to put this, which is shine and jam. I put it on the root. I'm going to put the coconut oil. I like putting it on my ends. My ends seem to be the side that break more than the root. When I'm done, I'm going to put a lot more on my scalp. But as I'm braiding, I do that. So the same thing, I section it into. What we are really doing is team 1, send the hair to team 3, right? And team 2, the hair get it. So you see, if you're professional, you can just start by twisting it and going. But because it's a beginner part, like you can see that, for a beginner, I'm more encouraged to just hold it, twist it, and then now go. It's the same concept, but just for a beginner hair. The first method seems to work much more better. So I twist it all the way to the end, and what I will do is I get a jam, get a little more. I get a jam and I seal the end. Right. I seal the end by rolling it a little bit. See. Okay, so we continue with the same concept. I'm going to section it in two right there. Now that I section it, I'm going to take a clip to hold the hair that I'm not using right now. I'll take the same thing, shine and jam, to hold my root to make it nice and smooth. So now remember, it's the same concept. So my 3 are holding that where my 2 hold it I'm going to clockwise it, like from 6 to 7. Can you see it? Then I will now move it to 3. Y2 is holding this one. I will now take my right hand, which is my team 1, to turn it clockwise to make it tight. After that, I'm going to go anti-clockwise, and that is what I'm doing now. Anti-clockwise, hold it there. And so once you know how to do that, you can now start, after you do the root, you hold it, you can now start twisting it, where you send it right here and your hand hold it in place and you twist it again. Send it is the same concept. You send it to 3, you hold it down and you come back, send it to 3, team 3. If you notice, I'm twisting my hand clockwise before I do anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. See, the same concept. Have you subscribed yet? If you have not subscribed, smash the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, YouTube will notify you. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Share with friends and family. So it's pretty much the same concept. I twist it, send it to team 3, you hold it in place while I grab the other one and I twist. Keep going the same thing. I've showed you how to make it steady by sending it to team 3. Team 3, keep it down and you keep twisting. We almost at the tip. I will get a jam to the root to seal the ends. That is why I'm using the jam, to seal the ends. So I do this. See how nice and smooth it comes up. I'm going to use coconut oil. Like I said in the beginning, I'm going to go all the way to my roots, to my scalp, to keep my scalp nice and moist. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. See you in my next video. I'm going to show you the end result. So that's how it looks.